So we've just finished the nursery, so I thought I'd show you all around. So starting off with these little shelves, these are IKEA spice racks and they will just be filled with books. They were £3 each, but we've just put some little teddies in at the moment and sort of the things have been brought, room temperature gauge, you can see it's very warm in here at the moment. And then we've got an IKEA picture shelf, which we've just got some gifts on. So I brought some nice frames in my baby shower and some gifts. Had this in our old house. His first passport, little sign. And then we got this little tree woodland scene with the branch in this corner as well. We got this on Not on the High Street and it was about £30. I'll put the prices in. It came with the sun as well. But we brought the clouds from eBay. I think they cost me £2.99 and I just feel like they just make it very good. We refloored as well. We got this wardrobe from IKEA. I believe it was £65 and it's home to all the teddies we've got. Some of these you would have seen in the IVF video, and then some of Tom's, and then I've got some lovely ones that friends have brought me as well. Then I really like this wardrobe because it had this sort of section for boxes. I like just being able to shove things in. So this has kind of got all baby bath products in. And then we've got the Grove line. We've actually used this in our bedroom and it just sticks up and just blacks out the room. It's really good. You can take it anywhere. This is the mini box that Tom brought me, I think for my birthday or Christmas or something. Then this has just got coats and jackets in, and that's got some bedding in at the bottom. And these were just from TK Maxx and I think they're about £5.99 each. Then we've got a chair. This used to be in our living room, but we thought it'd be a good little chair to have in here. We've got some blackout curtains. These are just from Dunelm Mill in a nice green colour. And then our drawers are from IKEA again. I love these drawers. We were going to get the double sized ones, but I'm glad we got these. And we got the inserts. So this front bit is all newborn, and then this is age, yes, that's newborn, and that's 0 to 3 months. And then trousers and accessories and some sleep suits. And then we've got a pull out, just a plain changing mat that we can, you know, put anywhere. And I've got this basket which I'm planning to fill with sort of changing stuff as I kind of get to grips with what's going to go where. We've got this elephant. This was £24.99 in a sale, so it plays music and it projects stars onto the ceiling. It's pretty cool. And we've got the Ollie the owl. So this does a lot of white noise and it's supposed to recognise when they're starting to wake up. But I'll give a review on that when he is here. Obviously we've got the mountains that we painted on, which I love. We got these shelves from IKEA as well, and these elephants were with us at the IVF. This is from IKEA as well. We loved that it had a little baby elephant with it. And we got these milestone blocks from TK Maxx. I love that it's got the weeks on it, and then you can change it to months when the baby's here. I think there's grade written on it as well, and I think they're like £12.99. We got this in the next sale for £3, which we absolutely love. Our cot is Moki. We did buy a Tutti Bambini set, but they completely messed us around with delivery. And lucky we got this within about 3 weeks. So I really like for ventilating. I'm very pregnant now and it's very warm. So this came to, I'll look it up and I'll write it on the video. You don't get the drawer automatically, you add that on. The only thing I don't like about it is that at the newborn stage, you can see into the drawer, but it's just got his blankets and sleep suits in ready for him. But you've got the different, it is a cot bed, so it lasts them up until about age 3, I believe. And it's got a bar that comes with it. But I'm doing a separate video on that anyway. This sheet is just from Mothercare. This is also Moki that you buy extra. So it straps on or it can hang off the side. But we hung it off the side a second ago and it clashes with the drawer. So it's best just to keep it up, and it's going to be tiny to start off with anyway. We got this mobile, haven't actually tried it yet. It's quite a little one. We looked that it was sort of woodland theme, and you can just unclip it and then hang it off your car seat or whatever, pram, whatever you want. More little spice racks from IKEA. This was from Next for £1, and obviously I love elephants. Had this one for a while. I think that was next as well. I've had that for a while, it's in my old house. And then this is just an IKEA picture again, and I just thought it was really cool. We've got another IKEA Kallax. I have these everywhere, they're in my studio. I just love again that you can shove things in. I like being organised, but I don't like it being a lot of effort. So we've got a grow egg as well to keep an eye on temperature. This is just full of nappies, muslin cloths and towels, and sleeping bags, like things like that, sheets, lots of baby wipes. We've stocked up on baby wipes, and then this was another care sale, just little bits and bobs. So that's just a back seat thing. I think it was like £2.50. We've got our video monitor here as well, and we've got this new shade which I'll do a review on when I've got it. It just basically blocks out flies and heat and UV rays. But this is our Nursery, and I absolutely love it. So thanks for watching, and hopefully baby will be here soon and you can all meet him. Bye.